Hello everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in the previous video, I show you about the columns, how to add the columns in the strip. But now I will show you how you can add a custom width or custom proportions to the columns. So as you can see, we have like two columns. As you can see, right now it's equal. For here, you need to click like this on the strip and layout. That's it. You don't need to click on the column. Otherwise, you will just do the alignment thing, but just click on the strip once, only click on the strip. As you can see, this is an option. This is currently on the equal one, and if you click on this, as you can see, this is 33 and 63 percentage of the screen size of the strip, and 25, 75, 20, 80. You can also do like this. Just drag this. That's it. It will resize on its own. Automatically, it will do it. So let's say we want to do a spacing like in pixels. Basically we will use 20. As you can see, it has the spacing here. And if you want to give a padding, so you give 20. As you can see, it has gone a padding. If I remove this, as you can see, it has gone. But if I give it again, 5 and 5, you can see it has came again. This is how you can do it. I hope you understood this video. I will again remove the columns basically. Yeah, so this is how you can do it, right? I hope you understood this video. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.